Okay, so before I pop back in the condo, I'm heading over to Floor Decor because I just realized it was only 9 minutes away from where I was. Better selection here, so I might see something that saves us a little bit and actually looks a little bit better. And a little sidebar, see those big power lines? Don't buy a property whenever you can avoid it. That's right next to those. It's not a good thing. So let's go inside here and take a look, and then I'll show you those versus the other ones, and then you'll see which ones we chose in the end. So let me show you a couple of things that I wasn't thinking about there because I don't see it that much, but this is crazy big. This is 24 by 48, which not used a lot, but this might be an option. And there's another one over here that's too dark, so this one right here, massive tiles, so that's an option that we're going to consider. So let's go take a look. This 24 by 48 sort of covers a lot of bases. I just think there's a little bit too much gray in it, but at the $249 price point with the right accents, that might work. Back to the flooring and wall. This is another one that I like. This is higher gloss, so porcelain tile, $349 a foot. And then we're going lower at $269 is this one right here. This is more of a matte look, and that would definitely change the color palette in that bathroom, so I have to think about that. This is another 24 by 48. This is $249 square foot. Then we have this one, $1.99 a square foot. Definitely more of a sand color tone in it, so I don't think that one's gonna work. But I still think at the 50 cent more price point, this one here is the best option. It's got that marble look, but it's not gonna have the marble price. We could either go by the 24 by 48 or a 12 by 24. Down to a couple of choices, and I'm gonna have to go over this with my contractor to see which we choose. This one here might be a possibility, other than I don't like some of the tones, so take a look at this. This is a 32 by 32 tile. It's not a clean white, and it's got some gray tones in it, so that can be a good thing and could be not a good thing. So I go back to this one, similar but not quite as pronounced with the grays. A little bit more of a marbling. This is obviously a porcelain, not marble. It's just polished, so it gives it that look. And it's 24 by 48. All right, so we have this one right here. This is porcelain, $2.99 a square foot. You don't get confused if you're looking at this and you think it's for the whole piece. It's still by the foot, so it's $2.99. So if you want fewer grout lines, this is definitely an option. A couple more options for the shower floor. Again, not trying to break the bank here. This is an option right here at $6.99 a piece. It's a 12-inch length. This is another 12 by 12. It's $8.99. Similar to the other one, a little bit different grayish pattern in there, also $6.99. And I'm gonna stay away from the $10.99. This one here is $7.99. Again, similar, just a different pattern. Definitely heading back to the condo. Definitely gave some additional ideas there that wasn't thinking about the 24 by 48 tiles for sure. Definitely wasn't thinking about those, but now I am. So I gotta go see if those are gonna work placement wise with my contractor, get his thoughts. But if I'm leaning towards something right now, if he says yes, not a problem, I'm gonna go with the 24 by 48. When you have smaller spaces, and this is actually not a small bathroom, the second bathroom is, that'll be too big in there. We can go 12 by 24, but in the main bathroom, the master bathroom, to go 24 by 48 will give it a larger feel. Anytime you have that smaller space and you go with larger tiles, it makes it feel bigger versus having small tiles. Let's head back to the condo right now. Hey, Mark Fitzpatrick here. Day 4 of the renovation here at the North Bethesda condo, which is a secret for right now. And what's happening today is really just moving stuff out. Kiko, main contractor that I have here, has hurt his back a little bit, so I told him to take it easy today. But the other guys are cleaning stuff out so that the master bathroom, second bathroom can be ready to redo. The second bathroom is more an update, whereas the master bathroom and the master suite is a complete redo in terms of design, spacing, everything. Other than the toilet, everything else is changing, and even the toilet is changing. Let's take a look around. Of course, after that, we'll flooring, painting, lights, other fixtures and things like that, new appliances, and then the outside space. But right now, got to get the mess out before you, got to get a clean slate before you start. So part of that was breaking everything up. Now we're going to take it out. As you can see, a lot of the junk that was already there is already out. So guys are cleaning everything out. You can see basically completely done. Before we end day 4, we're going to go through the bathroom real quick and kind of look at where we are and then what we have to do. We have to make a few adjustments, so Kiko's going to go through that. All right.
Okay, so I put the parts over here, but there is no way. You see, there is the pipe, so I cannot move it. I cannot go too more deeper than that. So I need to put the drain again, the same position, and build a bench.
So this will be the shower bench on. We'll put it on this side.
In this side, I'm gonna put a bench.
Yeah.
Covering the pipe like it was before. There is no other way to do it. So the drain gonna be maybe over here. I need to demo this one to put it because the bench is gonna be about 14 inches, 12 inches. So the drain gonna be around here.
Okay.
I think it's not space for more another bench over here. Maybe
I don't.
It's gonna be too narrow.
Yeah, I think so. That'll be too much. So we don't need another bench over there. And then one question is,
I'm gonna do it wide.
where do we think the best spot will be for the shower head?
The shower over here.
Over here?
Yes.
Yeah.
Because if I do it here, we have to cross all around this one.
Yeah. Yeah. No, I was thinking. Yeah, probably not good to do one up on the ceiling. Yeah.
The ceiling.
Yeah, coming down. Like a rain shower? No.
I want to put a long arm.
We'll bring the long arm, yeah.
Yes,
Okay, that's fine.
exactly.
That's fine. Perfect. Okay.
For over here, for the two sinks, I'm thinking if I can to put a little cabinet over here and a little cabinet in that corner.
Okay.
If I can put it, you will see symmetry. It's gonna be look
really nice.
yes,
Yeah.
very
Okay.
nice.
It's better than having the cat
Yes.
the originally we were talked about, if you've seen from the beginning, this was going to be a little closet because we didn't need this massive vanity, but it's better to have the 2 sinks, and now you have some little storage spots, and also underneath the vanity as well, storage as well.
Yes.
Okay.
I had two over here, little wall,
Yeah.
glass over here, another wall over here had to be in the cabinet,
Yeah.
and glass over here, and glass over here. I think we cannot do it without door, so we need to put it like a cold.
Yeah.
Yes, because the drain too low is too high.
Too high. If you're looking at this, and maybe you're not thinking about it at all, but if you're looking at this and you're saying, that's a lot of concrete for a condo, it's because we're on the ground level.
Yeah, still have concrete there.
Yeah, so
Yes.
solid foundation, but this would not, if this was an upper level floor, this would not be the case. But we ran into this with the bottom drain being sort of in an awkward spot. You go back into the old video, we'll show you that where the big soaking tub was. This was covered up with tile in a box, and that was for a good reason. So anyway, so we'll be back. I guess what's next besides you resting today and the weekend?
So next is to cover all this one, to plan over here. The shower is gonna be around here. I don't know, because we need to move those wires by this side.
Right.
Yes, and that one we can move it somewhere. I don't know if you can put one each side, 2 GFC5.
GFCI's there, yeah.
Yes. And this is gonna be moving by this side because the door is gonna open by against the toilet.
Yeah.
I will remove all this one also, all the drywall. I'm gonna put Duroc or basketball
Yeah.
instead of drywall. Yes.
Obviously, we have to pick out the floor tile for the shower, but can we use the those which are sort of new, which caught my eye, the 24 by 48 tiles?
Just to be too heavy. Also, the 2x4
20, well,
is already
so
heavy.
we'll do the 12 by 24.
Yeah, 12 by
Okay.
24. Yes.
Started to see that for the first
Yeah, I'm
time.
thinking to put maybe something here.
Yeah.
Decoration.
Yeah.
Probably one niche over here.
Can we can maybe put a box in there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm thinking that.
Yeah, I think put a box in there.
Yes.
Okay.
For the
I
for
just
the shampoo
did that, and it works better than having the typical cut in insert. Okay.
Yes. If I cannot do it in here, maybe I can do it across.
Do it across
Yeah,
horizontally.
Yeah, the
Okay.
same time over here
Yeah.
and outside also.
Okay. All right, I'll have some ideas for that too. We'll look at color, but I think we're gonna stick mainly in the kind of the white neutral. So that's really it for today, day 4. A bit lighter, but a lot of important things. Getting everything cleared out, getting ready to go. Kiko, whose back is hurt, getting him a chance to rest a little bit more. You saw some of the tile choices that we'll be looking at, and we'll narrow that down, including some of the accent stuff in the shower. So I really want to make that pop. We're redoing this whole master bathroom, so we want it to really look spectacular, even at a budget. So that'll be it. Day 5, we'll come back and show you what we're doing next, which will be starting to more or less get everything in place for the sort of structure-wise for the master bathroom, and then start working on the shower for that. So that's it. Hope you have a great day. Hope you've enjoyed this process and going through it. And obviously, any questions at any time, just let me know, and I'll try to give you some more insights into what we're doing, how we're doing it, and when it'll be done. That'll be a little bit of a secret, but let's just say just after the new year. So stay tuned for the next one, day 5. We'll see you soon. Bye. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you want to see the rest of the videos in this condo renovation project from start to finish until we take it live for sale, then click over here, subscribe, or down below, wherever it is, and we'll see you on the next video.